If you want to make money online or become an online entrepreneur, then you must use tools like ClickFunnels to grow faster, make your job easy, and get better results. But softwares like ClickFunnels are insanely expensive, and honestly, nobody can afford it as a beginner. In this video, I'm going to show you an awesome alternative to ClickFunnels. This tool I'm about to show you today is absolutely free and does everything that you can do with ClickFunnels. You must have heard of ClickFunnels, which is a funnel builder that basically allows you to build landing pages, create email lists, opt-in pages, selling products, creating even your own online courses, and has so many other cool features. But the truth is, it is ridiculously expensive to afford. When I started, I couldn't afford it myself. Even the lowest pricing for ClickFunnels is $97 per month, which is insanely high. So this alternative that I have comes with an absolute free plan that you can choose and still get the same features that you get from ClickFunnels. Basically, this platform I'm going to show you is all in one platform for online entrepreneurs. And by the way, even the paid plans are so cheap and reasonable that you wouldn't hesitate to upgrade to the paid plan if you want to upgrade in the future. What's going on, guys? Dave here with another incredible video today, and today I'm going to show you how you can get your online business up and running without paying for expensive softwares like ClickFunnels. So the funnel builder I'm talking about today is System.io. There's a link in the description below, guys. Go ahead and just click the link from this video description below and create your free account right now and follow along with this video, because I'm going to show you all the steps and the cool stuffs that you can do with System.io. As I mentioned before, this software has a completely free plan that you can start right now and do all the cool stuff people are doing with ClickFunnels. And being honest, I never recommended ClickFunnels to anyone because the price is too much, and that's why I'm bringing System.io as an alternative to ClickFunnels today. Now, just before I show you all the available plans from System.io, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel and turn on that notification bell so that you will not be missing my future videos. And guys, please hit the like button. I will really appreciate that. Okay, and as you can see here, System.io has a free plan, startup, webinar, and enterprise plan. The highest paid plan is just $97, whereas ClickFunnels' lowest pricing plan is $97. Guys, that's crazy. The lowest paid plan on System.io is $27 per month, which is much more realistic and reasonable. And the free plan itself has all the cool features that you can get with any similar platform. And it's not like a free trial, it's always free unless you want to upgrade. So guys, once again, get the link from the description box below. Just go ahead and grab your free account right now. Now let's see what you can do with the free plan here at System.io. The first one is you can have 2,000 contacts in your email list. That means you can have up to 2,000 email subscribers and you can send unlimited emails to those subscribers with the autoresponder feature. This is awesome, guys. I've never seen any free plan allowing up to 2,000 email subscribers. You can either upload your email list if you have email list already, or you can build your email list within System.io. And next, you can have 3 active sales funnels, and it allows you to have 10 pages within those sales funnels that you create. For example, I can create a funnel where I can add multiple pages like opt-in pages, download pages, thank you pages, and so on. And next, it allows you to own a website and run a blog with unlimited blog posts, and one membership site with unlimited members. As you can see, you can do a whole lot of things like building sales funnel, creating your email list, selling your own product, promoting products as an affiliate with those tools. For example, let's say you can promote ClickBank products by creating landing pages, bridge pages, and so on. You can create a blog on it. It can be your email autoresponder, create various automation workflows, and you can also take payments by PayPal integration and Stripe integration. You see, so a lot of things are here that you can do for free. Guys, this is a full featured plan. There are limitations in numbers, but you can do everything except creating webinars, which you don't need as a beginner. You don't even need to use all of these features, and you already get enough features to run your business with this free plan. So go ahead, sign up using the link from this video description. Just start with the free plan. You've got nothing to lose. Even if you want to use it without any limitation, you can upgrade the plan to the paid plan, which is much more reasonable than ClickFunnels. Now, let me give you the inside look of System.io. When you click the link from this video description, you'll be landing on this page. And here, you just need to type your email and click on Get Started for free. After that, you'll get a thank you page just like this one. And this basically asks you to go to your email and check your login details there. You just follow the email link and you'll be able to create the account. And once you have created the account, you'll come to your dashboard like this. Now, once you're at the dashboard, go to the top right corner to the menu and click over there. You see all the features here: contacts, funnels, emails, blogs, automations, sales, and so much more. So we'll focus on creating funnels. I'll show you how to create funnels here. So click on funnels, and then you have an option to create funnel. Okay, and you have a bunch of options to choose from. Let's say if you want to build an audience, you want to create your email list by providing some free values or something like that, then you choose the option build an audience. You can also sell products, let's say selling ClickBank products or any other products to create by creating landing pages, or let's say you can create custom domains and so much more. So let's focus on building an audience. Click on this one. Let's say you're an affiliate marketer and you're providing free ebook to people to collect their emails. So you would simply type a name, something like, let's say, affiliate marketing tricks. You've got build an audience option ticked, and then scroll down and go to create. So now it's going to give you a bunch of templates that you can use. So as you can see, this is just, the first one would be this squeeze page, and then you'll have a thank you page. So there will be two pages from where you'll be able to giving people free ebook and collecting their emails in the meantime. So you can choose from these landing pages here. There are a bunch of landing pages that you can choose. I'm just going to choose one of the landing pages here to show you how you can actually customize everything. Let's say, for example, I'm going to choose this one here. And here you can give it a name, let's say the same name that we chose there, affiliate marketing ebook. So affiliate marketing ebook, we can give it a name like this. And to edit this page, go to the right side here, edit page here, click on the edit page, okay, and it's going to bring you to the template here. Now everything is customizable, it's drag and drop. You just need to click on the option and you can write, you can change color, you can change the background picture, you can drag and make it bigger, okay, you can choose what you want to show people here and everything here. I'm going to simply change this here and I'll show you how it looks. Now I've just simply changed the title here, download free ebook to learn affiliate marketing, and enter the details to access. So the name and the email would be the same, you can keep it the same. And this field here, get instant access, you can choose it, you can bring it, let's say, just click over there, go to the left side here, bottom text, you can change it to, let's say, download now. Now let's say download now. You can change it, you can customize it, and to bring it to the next page, what you need to do is, once people click on this download now section, where do you want you to lead them? So if you're about to collect email leads, so you need to go to the top left section here. It says action when the button clicked. So here you have to choose the option that says send form. If you choose the option send form, it collects the emails here. So your opt-in page, or let's say the funnel, is already ready here. So all you need to do is, to the top right corner, you've got an option save changes. Go to the save changes, click on save changes, and your funnel is already ready. So you can simply go back there Okay, from here now go to the left side here. You can create a thank you page once they are able to download the page where they are able to download. So click on the thank you page here. You can choose from the template just like before, guys. Choose any of the template and you can customize everything just like the way we did. You just need to again play around with this tool. Everything is super simple. You don't need to be skilled technically to do these things. Everything is right in front of you. You just need to drag and drop and see what's best for you. Now I just created the thank you page. I just didn't want to prolong this video much. Okay, and at the bottom here you've got the link of your funnel. You just copy the link, just paste it over here, and then let's see. This is how we see, okay, your audience will see your funnel like this. Let's test it out. Okay, I'm gonna type my name here, Dave, and I'm going to type a random email address. I'm going to type a random email address and just hit download. And this is the thank you page, and I didn't customize it that much just to avoid prolonging this here, but you can customize the way you want. Okay, and you can simply tell them your ebook has been sent by email, or you can customize this. You can let them download here, so you can have much information here. So the cool part, another cool part I'm going to show you right now. If you go back there, okay, and if you go to the menu here and go to contacts and click on contacts, boom, you've got that email already captured here. So you have collected the email of the person who downloaded the ebook. So you can create the email list, you can build your audience, and then you can start doing email marketing once you build your email audience here. Now, once you have captured the emails, once you have created your email leads, what you can do is go to menu again here and go to emails here, okay? And then what you can do is you can run a campaign, you can start sending them emails, you can do the email marketing from here. You can create the email campaigns, you can send them newsletters and so much more. So this is something that you get for free, guys. No payment, nothing. You get everything for free, absolutely free, and which is awesome, guys. Now other things that I want to show you guys here, if you go to menu here, now you go to products and sales here. Now as you can see here to the top right here, you can create your own online course and you can sell the course to people. As you remember, you can add your PayPal and Stripe here, and then you can get payments by selling your courses from this, and everything is hosted by System.io, and it's for free, guys. That's awesome, that's amazing, guys. And if you want to use System.io to its full potential, then certainly you can upgrade to the paid plan. That is totally up to you, but for now go to the link in this video description and get started for free. And if you want to know how to make money by converting articles into YouTube video, go ahead and watch the video appearing to the left of your screen.